Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I share with you how I prepare this delicious tomato jollof rice. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. In a pot, I added some oil, allowed to heat up. Once it's heated up, I went ahead and add some sliced onion. I stir fry it for a little bit just to soften the onion. This is about 2 minutes later. I added some rosemary and some thyme, and I'm going to stir fry it for about a minute or so just to infuse more flavor into the oil. At this point, the oil is already infused with a lot of flavor. We'll go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. You guys remember, we are making tomato jollof rice. Added sliced tomato. You can chop up your tomato or you can slice it. Add scotch bonnet pepper as well. Add pepper according to your taste. I stir everything together. Added some smoked paprika just for color when the rice is done to give it that beautiful color. That's why I'm making use of paprika. Seasoning cube. I'll go ahead and add salt as well, curry powder, stir everything together. At this point, feel free to add any seasoning of your choice, any seasoning that you like in your food. Add it to it, it's okay. Just walk around your kitchen. Use whatever seasoning you have in your kitchen. I added some crayfish and tilapia fillet. That is optional. I'm making use of that because I have it. If you don't, just keep it out. Added some chicken stock and I will stir everything together, cover it and allow to cook. And while it's cooking, I'm stirring it so it doesn't burn. The sauce is 100% cooked now. I'm going to stir everything together before I add the washed rice. If you notice that you made a lot of sauce, just take some out before you add your rice. You don't want the sauce to be more than the rice or the rice to be more than the sauce. If you add the washed rice, after you stir it together, if you notice that the sauce is not enough, you can add more from the one that you take out. But as for me, the sauce is perfect for the rice. That is why I didn't take some out. I stir everything together and I'll go ahead and add chicken stock. We are making use of chicken stock. This is very important just to have that party jollof rice flavor. Added some water as well. Stir everything together, cover and allow to cook. 'At this point, the rice has already absorbed all the water that I added to it. You can stir it at this stage, but when I'm cooking jollof rice, at this stage, I don't stir it. I just check it with small spoon to check maybe the rice is cooked or not cooked. I noticed that the rice still needs more water. Added a little bit of water more and I cover it with plastic bag. You can make use of aluminum foil. Place the lid back and allow to steam on a low heat for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I gently remove the plastic bag so I don't introduce the water that is on top of the plastic bag to the rice. And our party tomato jollof rice is ready. Give it a final good stir. This tastes absolutely delicious. But it's not done yet. We take it to another level. Just keep watching. garnish with some fresh onion, and this take the rice to another level. Trust me guys, this onion, it adds a lot of flavor to the jollof rice. I stir it together and our party jollof rice is ready. I hope you guys like the video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. If I tell you that this is not your regular party jollof rice, trust me, it is not. It tastes absolutely amazing. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I share with you guys how I prepare this delicious peppered pomo rice. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. In a pan, I added some oil and allowed to heat up. Once it's heated up, I added some onion and I'm going to fry it for about 3 minutes just to add flavor into the oil. And this is normal vegetable oil. I just pour it into an empty container of red palm oil and I shake it together. That is why it is red. I added some crayfish and I'm going to stir it for about 3 seconds more just to add more flavor into the oil. Added some thyme and I'm going to stir everything together before I go ahead and add my pepper mix. I have a video on how you can prep and store your pepper mix. The link will be down below. If you're interested, you can check it out. Added some water, just a tiny bit of water, into the blender. Mix it together and I pour that as well. Added curry powder, salt and seasoning cube. Once I add the seasoning, I'll go ahead and stir everything together before I added the pomo, and at this point, I'm going to add the pomo. Don't be stingy with your pomo, add enough pomo. You want to scoop a spoon of rice and pomo together. You don't want to scatter pomo in your rice. Add enough pomo, okay, and stir everything together. And I will go ahead and add some chicken stock. I have this in the freezer. I just brought it out and it has not defrosted. It's going to defrost inside the pepper. I cover it and allow to cook until it's completely done. While it's cooking, I stir it in between so it doesn't burn. The sauce is perfectly cooked right now. I'll go ahead and add the rice, and today I'm making use of local Egyptian rice. Feel free to use any rice of your choice. And while I'm making the sauce, I went ahead and soaked the rice in the water just for a little bit. I'm going to stir everything together. Once I stir everything together really well, I went ahead and add some water, and I'm making use of warm water. You can make use of cold water or hot water, or warm like mine. I stir everything together. Taste for seasoning. I noticed that it needs a little bit of salt. I went ahead and adjust the salt. Stir everything again, cover it and allow to cook on a low heat until it's completely done. This particular rice, you cannot cook it on a high heat. If you're in Egypt, you know that. Just turn the heat to the lowest and allow to cook until it's completely done. At this point, the rice is perfectly cooked. I'm going to go ahead and stir everything together. You guys, the rice looks so good and it tastes amazing. Trust me, guys. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of spring onion, and this is optional. I'm just doing this for thumbnail. You can skip it out if you don't want. And I hope you guys like today's video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Sorry for my voice, guys. Your guy is under the weather. See you guys in my next video. Bye.